Hi Team Fullest. This is again Amy. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome terug op mijn kanaal. Hey, so guys, today we're about to do a battle between two Revelation products. We're going to try the two Revelation bronzer. These are the two darker shade in this bronzer. So we are about to try this bad boy. Let's see how they go. I've compared the Revelation and the Morphe, and you guys make your decision. You guys be the judge. I'm not going to be the judge, but you guys be the judge. So I'm going to compare these two bronzer, and I want you guys to be the judge. These are the two dark shade in this bronzer. They are both very dark, and I can't wait to try it and see how they look. But before we jump into this video, please, if you're not part of the Team Fullest family, make sure you press that red button right down there that says subscribe, and press on the notification bell so you do not miss out whenever I pull videos. Follow me on my Instagram and Facebook like page if you guys want to stay connected, and let's jump into this tutorial. So you guys have seen the both products. Should I do swatches for you guys so you guys see both? Let's do swatches. Okay, you guys know my swatches game is not the best, but let's do swatches. Ooh, that is rich. That is rich. I'm feeling richness. So okay, and then let's do this other one. Hi, this one is dark. Do you guys see the difference? I need a wipe before I touch anything in this room and things get messy. So this is what both look like. Can you guys see? Like this is, you guys can see this is really dark. This is dark, but this is really dark. You know what? Let me find something first and wipe my hand before I touch this room and then it gets messy. Do not want any government wahala. Because sometimes government wahala when things get messy. Everything is white, like not everything, but like most of the furnitures, they're white. So when you touch something, it gets stained. Don't want trouble. So this is how both of the bronzer look. You guys have seen it. Yes. You guys can see. So now let's jump into the skin. For me, it's more like testing stuff on the skin because swatches can be deceiving. You guys can see my hand and my face, they don't have the same shade. They are sisters. No, they are not sisters. They are cousins, distant cousins. So you see, so for me, it's more of testing stuff on the skin and see how they look. So first, we're going to try this Revelation. This is the bronze. Okay, wait, let me wipe it. My fingerprint is everywhere. So this is the camera focus. Even though I'm using my phone, you have to focus. So this is what this looks like. So now let's swatch. Let's test this one on the skin. So I'm gonna use a clean brush. You guys can see the brush is clean. Just take a little. I don't want to go too much, and then okay, I didn't take that much. Just take a little bit more. Can you guys see how beautiful that is? I'm just going to take whatever is on the brush. I'm just going to try to blend on the forehead. Take a little bit and just try to contour that forehead. Do you guys see that? It's very beautiful. I didn't put too much. Of course, it's a bronzer. You can play with it whichever way you like. I don't feel like you need to add too much, but this is really beautiful. I really like it. I'm just gonna take a little bit and let's highlight. Let's also bronze and slash contour that cheekbone, because you know your girl. I'm on a weight journey, and at the same time I'm doing exercise. So let's just let's shape that cheekbone. If you don't know how to know where to put bronzer or where to contour, you just have to like do your mouth like this. For me, I already know like the cheekbone is just popping, so I know where to do. But if you don't know, just right there. So I feel like this is quite okay. Just take a little bit You know, for me, I don't really contour. So for me, bronzer and contour is one. So this is what this look like. There you guys see, looks very, very beautiful. Let's put this one aside, and now let's take this deep dark. So this is it. See, you guys are seeing all the messiness on my table. This bronzer is pigment. Okay, you guys are gonna see my cheekbone. Ha! You see when I said this thing is this bronzer is dark. Oh, I didn't take that much. Oh, I even put it back in on the thing. You guys see, I even dust it off again. You see, that's why when you are taking this bronzer, you have to take it as if it's a raw egg about to break. Just hold it small. You guys see how pink this bronzer is. Not joking. Like, for me that does not like to do, can you guys see how that thing just like snatched my entire face? Can you guys see the structure of this side of the face and compare to this one? This one is so smooth, but this one is just like yo, this is so pigment. This is very good for someone who does not like to contour like me. Don't like to use contour cream or contour something. You just like to use bronzer to contour or contour powder. This is something, and it may looks like super dark on the camera because of the lighting, but in real life it's perfect. Like, this is me all day, all night. This is also me, depending on where I want to go. Both look depend on where I want to go. And if I'm feeling myself and I'm like, you know, I just want something soft, something smooth, this is what I would go for. But if I'm like, you know what, I want everything from head to toe to look snatch, I'm going for this. This is what I'm going for, because this is natural. I'm even scared to take a little bit more for the jawline. I'm just gonna do it. Let's do it. Because we do it. Ha! Jesus, you love me too much, oh, too much, oh, too much excess love, oh, see fineness. I guess I'm feeling myself like, see fine girl. See fine girl. You have to praise yourself. You have to know you're beautiful. You're one of a kind. There's no one like you. Like, this army here you are seeing, there's no other army. Even if there's other army, it can't be me. Because I'm a one in a billion. There's no copy of me. My DNA is one of a kind. So this face is one of a kind. You guys see that beauty? I really love it. But you guys be the judge. You know what? I feel like I have to dust this out. Because if not that, if I try to show you, it's going to pour. Yeah. Let's just dust it out. But yeah, this is what this side is looking like. Okay, and then now you guys be the judge. For me, I like both. All depends on where I want to go, how the mood, how I want to slay. I want something very soft, very smooth. This. Something to be very edgy, very snatched. Just when I enter, you see me coming. So yeah, this is how both of the bronzer look. I want you guys to be the judge. Definitely you guys can see the difference on my face. If you can't see this difference, then you need glasses. Even me that I'm wearing glasses. I'm not having my glasses on right now. I took it off. But I can definitely see the difference. You guys see how snatched this one is? This one is still like fufu. This one is still like a swell eba fufu. This one is just like, hey, yo. This is good, but I love both. If you guys want to make it even more intense, if you're somebody who's like, I want my face to look snatched, take a powder, reverse contour. Do the same thing here. Just take a little bit of powder, not too much. If you want like that snatchness, bring that powder to your You see? Yes, 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 yes. So now we're just gonna leave it for like a few minutes. There's nothing else to do. So let's just wipe it up, okay? Just let it, just for a few seconds. He's like, do you see how that face has transformed? Do you see how that face is transformed? These are the shades. Do you see how it is transformed? So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to set my face. You guys know I always like to set my face before I highlight. That is something that I have been doing for like years now. So let's set this face first. I'm going to use this setting. This is a matte setting spray, matte finish. So let's set first. Let's set. I'm gonna leave this one to dry. I'm not gonna do anything to the. I still love this look. It's so beautiful, you know. I really do. Let me know what you all think. What y'all think. What y'all say. What y'all say. Let me know what you think. But I really love both of them. You guys, I want to know what you guys think about this. Let me know which one you prefer. If you prefer the dark, deep, or this one. These are the two high bronzer. Bring them closer. Yeah, these are the two shades. Let me know which one you prefer. I love both of them on different occasion. I'm feeling both. I do not like to contour. So bronzer is my contouring thing. So yeah, hope you all like this video. Let's do some quick highlighting, which of course I'm going to take my highlighting brush. I'm going to be using the Fenty Beauty Diamond Bomb highlighter. I love the way how this, it's not like it's super pigment on the skin. It's more like a very skin glowish kind of highlighter, very soft on the skin. So I'm just going to use this one to finish this look. Let's finish this look. Yeah, just take a little bit on the nose with my finger here. I'm feeling beautiful. I love this. Can you guys see the glitter? This highlighter is very beautiful. I'm really fond of it because I just love how it makes my skin look. So now to finish this look again, I'm going to use this highlighter to just set everything. So beauties, this is the finished result with the bronzers. Let me know which one do you guys prefer, because I prefer both of them in different occasions. I like both the bronzers. Like my face is, I feel like my face is split into half. One has a different look and the other one has a different look. But let me know what you guys think, and I hope you all like this video. These are what the swatches looks again. Before I wipe it off, let me show you guys once more again. This is what they look like, and tell me which one you guys prefer. This is your girl Amy, and I hope you all enjoy this video. I hope you like this video. If you do, please do not forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. If you guys have any question, let me know in the comment box. If you guys want to follow me on Instagram, all the details will be in the description box. Thank you guys so much. Vergeet niet te abonneren en hoop ik jullie zo snel mogelijk te zien. This is your girl Amy. Doeg! Bye!